Hello everybody and hello Alan. So nice to meet you again. Yeah,
Absolutely.
3 years ago, a long time here in the Stream Tea in Stuttgart. And my name is Acky. I'm in YouTube. I have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Van Fan. That's the name. So and that's my new van. You know, pretty new.
It's utterly new. Yes, it's still
Absolutely,
here.
absolutely.
Yes,
And
it's still got the price on.
yes. But we don't show the price. You know, that's very expensive for me. But we live one times on the world. You know, and we have a lot of big problems there. So. Yes, that's.
We should enjoy ourselves while we can.
Yes.
Why don't we go inside the van?
Come on. I'll show you.
So now Robeta is a particularly good brand. It's very high class.
Yes, Robeta is a company. They located in Slovenia, and all the vans they will build in Slovenia. So, that's all the peoples there are very friendly, and the quality is very high there, and that's a big family, and that's the reason why we talk about it, you know. So we need the reason why was we have a big dog, and Akira, its name, and she's very high, very big. 38 kilos, and she needs space, you know. And we talk about. We talk with Robeta. What can we do that we have in this van here a lot of space, you know? And so we discuss about some situations. Okay, we don't need gas. We have here only electricity or the diesel heater. Yeah, and so we don't need any gas stations there or gas brackets or whatever. So we have a lot of space behind in the heck or whatever
in the roof.
In the roof, you know. So yeah, that's the reason why we built together this beautiful van here. My ideas and was built in Slovenia, you know. We see here the electricity. Heater. That's
It's an electric induction heating.
800 watts.
Okay, and there's two of them.
Yes.
And what's curious, of course, is Robeta's done this in other vehicles. It's put the sink in the middle, which means we can use very big pans, which is often we can't use them in campervans, even motorhomes.
Yeah.
So but why go for the electricity? Is it because of the problems with gas in Germany? Because there's all sort of certification and you need to have them checked and things like that.
Not at all. So the reason is why we need space. So we don't have enough space when we need to gas bottles or whatever. So last year we drove to Scotland, and there we have problems to get any gas stations or whatever. So and we don't like any gas. We don't like gas in a van. So it's very dangerous for us. So my opinion, you know, and that's the reason. And then we have here some new figures there. So the lighters. And,
that's clever.
Yeah. So that's a game, you know. It's a little game. It's pretty new here.
I've never seen it before.
It's a design element or whatever. So yeah. And sorry, guys, for my bad English.
It's great, no problem. No problem at all.
But Alan will help me, you know. Yeah, and then we have the one special thing here, the Acky bar. My name is Acky, and I designed together with Robeta a new bed. And I will show you that. It's no luxury or whatever. So I'm a big guy, you know, and I need some space on my top and whatever. So in the top with Robeta, what can we do? And then we built together this kind of bed here. We can put this the sink here on this side, and then we have enough space for
to shower,
you know.
Oh, that's a good reason. Yeah, because bear in mind the vehicle's only 205 centimeters wide on the outside.
Right. So, and all the tops here are HPL beschichtet. Whatever.
HPL is in English. It's fiberglass.
Fiberglass, yes. Yeah. So that's waterproof, you know.
Yes.
And that's really nice, you know. Yeah, and that's pretty cool. I like it, and that's why we built this together with Robeta. You know.
Yeah, it's very. I do appreciate a sliding door because it saves space, and it's when you've got an opening door, it gets in your way.
Right.
And
right.
it's so easy. It's in 2 parts.
2 parts. You can open it. So and have enough space to go in, or to use the toilet, or to use the shower. It's very nice there. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's very good.
Yes.
But one feature I do like is at the back here we've got the bed which comes up and down.
We can put it down electricity.
Yeah.
Go up, go down and up, and we go completely up, and we have a little space room here, a little and second room, whatever. So and enough space for our dog. That's very important. And my wife, she can sit there or chill there or write a book or whatever, and the dog can chill there as well. You know, and that's the reason why we use this. Yeah, this area here.
Because you put actual seats in the back, which is clearly what was for you. That was what you wanted.
Yes, normally, there on this area here, you see the beds there, and normally here beds for 4 people.
Oh, bunks. Yeah.
Yes. And I say to Roberta, I don't use this anymore. Whatever. What can we do that we have here a separate room or whatever? So please give me here some opportunities to sit, you know.
Yeah. In fact, we could go round the back. Oh, here's some noise.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock kicking out time. Shall we have a look at the back?
Yes.
I think I need to point out that it's normally the public address system is a lot better than that. In fact, it's the first time it's been that bad.
Yeah, and first of all, I show you our dog.
Oh, this dog?
Name's Akira.
Akira, yeah, Japanese dog.
Yes.
Yeah.
Akira.
Oh, sorry. There we go. And
of course, Acky and.
Oh, hey, that's good. Yeah. Yeah.
And maybe you can,
ideal likeness.
maybe you can, for the English people, maybe you can translate this. Das Leben ist zu kurz für irgendwann.
Yeah, irgendwann. I don't really understand. Billy, I've got the word in Polish. The life is too short for not doing things properly.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
something along those
yes,
lines.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do it now, or maybe it's too late.
Yeah, and this is a problem. Actually, I was talking to, I won't say their names, but you know the people yesterday, and they were talking to me that they've been talking for some time about doing it full time. But they've got doubts, and they asked me, what happens when you get ill? And I said, if you don't do it now, you're as healthy now as you'll ever be in your life. You'll never be this young again. You do it now, because tomorrow may be too late.
Right, and that's our motto, you know, and that's our lifestyle. That's our lifestyle. That's the right word in English, I think.
Yes. This is how I feel.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm fortunate enough now I've met somebody who also wants to live in the van, so that's quite good. Although I didn't bring her here, so I didn't want this to be a first experience in the winter. So if I'm going to do it, I want to do it when it's hot and it's she can appreciate it.
And you see, we are much flexible here. We can put in some beds for 2 other peoples, or we can chill area, or we can make it, or we can transport some stuff or whatever.
Yeah.
So
So we've got these rails. I've forgotten the word proper word for these things, but anyway, and
airline Schienen in German.
No, Schienenback. No, I call them rails anyway.
Yes.
But it can be used for fixing chairs. I don't know anything else actually, boxes or furniture. Yeah. One of the dog users.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, that's great. Really nice. Really nice van. It's really great to have somebody who actually explains
Yeah.
what they want and what they're doing in their vehicle, and to see you're happy with a new vehicle is great as well. I mean, it's great for me as well.
Absolutely,
to see happy for
and
other
I see it 2 days ago, just the first time. You see my smile anyway, you know. And on Sunday I drive home with this car, and that's incredible for me. Incredible.
Yeah. It's great. Yeah. How did you get here? So you came by train or something?
No, we come with a van from Robeta.
Yes.
And we leave him here, and we stay on the
32 or 31.
32
Yeah.
press area.
Yeah, where I am.
whatever.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
Yes. And then we drive back with this car.
Wonderful. Well, thanks very much. What a wonderful story.
Thank you, Alan. But sorry for my English.
No, excellent. No problem at all.
I think it's a little bit clear what I want to say.
It's totally clear. Thanks. All the best. And your channel is Van Fan
right.
on YouTube. There'll be a link below anyway.
Thank you. Bye bye.